In today's competitive e-commerce market, simply listing products is no longer enough. Customers expect better prices, smarter offers, and real value when they buy more. But without the right pricing strategy, store owners often struggle to increase order value and encourage bulk purchases. That's where the Addify Buy More and Save More module for PrestaShop comes in. This module helps you turn quantity-based pricing into a powerful sales strategy by automatically offering attractive discounts that motivate customers to buy more and save more at the same time. Start by going to the module's backend to configure its settings. Navigate to Modules, then open the Module Manager. Locate Addify, Buy More, Save More, and click Configure to open the Settings panel. Let's start with General Settings configuration. In the General Settings tab, enable the module to activate its functionality across your store. Enable Display on Product page to show the reminder bar and text on the product page. Enable Display on Cart page to display the reminder bar and text on the cart page. Enable Display on Checkout page to show tier product details during checkout. Next, move to the Configure Tier Products section. Here, you can see all the tiers that have already been created. Click the plus button to add a new tier, or click Edit to update already created tier. Enter a name for the tier or bundle so it's easy to identify later. Choose the tier pricing model, either based on product quantity or a fixed product bundle. Add the minimum and maximum product quantity. Select the price type from the drop-down and choose whether the discount is a fixed amount or a percentage. Enter the discount value and decide whether the discount should be calculated including tax or excluding tax. Option to select tags from the drop-down that will display with the tier group, then click Save. Now move to the Rules tab to create unlimited Buy More, Save More rules. In this section, you'll see a list of all previously created rules. Click the plus to add a new rule or click Edit to update existing rule. Enable the rule and enter a name to identify it easily. Set the rule priority if multiple rules apply, as higher priority rules are applied first. Select the tier or bundle you want to display under this rule. Choose how the discount information should be displayed on the product page and review the result in the preview section. Select the customer groups to which the rule will apply. Enable all products if you want the rule to apply store-wide. Otherwise, apply the rule to selected individual products, specific product categories, products from selected suppliers, or products from specific manufacturers. Set the start and end dates to automatically activate or deactivate the rule after configuring the rule. Click Save to apply and activate it. At the end, let's move to the Template Customization tab to customize Buy More, Save More templates. Here, you can control how discount information appears on the front end. Select the text and font size for the display. Upload an icon to visually highlight the offer. Choose the header background color, header text color, and active row background color. Set the new price font size and text color. Select the discount font size. Click Save to apply your changes. You can also customize the appearance for different display types such as table, list, grid, and card, ensuring the discount layout matches your store's overall design and branding. After completing all configurations, let's move to the front end to see how the discounted groups are displayed with the product and how customers can easily view and benefit from the available offers. Click the subscribe button to stay updated on our feature-rich modules, and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from our smart PrestaShop solutions too. Thank you for watching.